Daily allowance for halt on tour for 12 hours is dash. A 1 DA, B half DA, C no DA, D 1.5 DA. Answer B half DA. No pension may be awarded for the loss of compensatory allowance or special pay. A റൂൾ 63 പാർട്ട് 3, ബി റൂൾ 57, സി റൂൾ 37, ഡി റൂൾ 32. ആൻസർ സി റൂൾ 37 പാർട്ട് 3. An application for leave or an extension of leave must be made to the authority competent to grant such leave or extension in the form number dash. A 10, B 11, C 12, D 13. Answer D 13. A post carrying a definite rate of pay sanctioned for a limited time. A permanent post, B officiating post, C substantive post, D temporary post. Answer D temporary post. A monthly grant made to an officer who is not in receipt of pay or leave salary. A subsistence allowance, B substantive pay, C personal pay, D special pay. Answer A subsistence allowance. Which of the following is not included in the ordinary leave? A half pay leave, B earned leave, C commuter leave, D disability leave. Answer D disability leave. An officer entered service on 1/7/2018. His half pay leave earned as on 31/12/2019 is dash. A 30 days, B 20 days, C 40 days, D 33 days. Answer B 20 days. An officer drawing Rs 95,000 PM from 1/7/2019. He got promotion with effect from 1/1/2020 and pay fixed at Rs 97,000 as on 1/1/2020. The officer retired on 31/7/2020. His average emolument is dash. A Rs 97,000, B Rs 96,400, C Rs 95,000, D Rs 96,000. Answer B 96,400. A government employee retires voluntary at the age of 53 years for commutation of pension. Which is the commutation factor admissible? A 12.35, B 12.66, C 11.10, D 12.05. Answer D 12.05. For the purpose of calculating travelling allowance, officers are classified into dash grades. A 3, B 5, C 4, D 2. Answer C 4. A mileage allowance is an allowance calculated on the distance travelled which is given to meet the cost of a particular journey. A Rule 12 Part 2 KSR, B Rule 12 Part 1, C Rule 10 Part 2, D Rule 11 Part 2 KSR. Answer A Rule 12 Part 2 KSR. A conveyance allowance shall not be drawn during A leave or temporary transfer, B holidays prefixed or suffixed to leave, C joining time, D all of the above. Answer D all of the above. For journey by road, mileage allowance is admissible at the following rates for each kilometer travelled irrespective of whether the places are connected by rail or not. A Rule 63 Part 2 KSR, B Rule 34, C Rule 31, D Rule 30. Answer C Rule 31 Part 2 KSR. The basic pay of an officer is Rs 50,400 ആസ് ഓൺ 1/2/2020. ഹി പെർഫോംഡ് എ ജേർണി ഓൺ 28/2/2020. സേ അണ്ടർ വിച്ച് ഗ്രേഡ് ഹി ബിക്കംസ് ഫോർ ദി പർപ്പസ് ഓഫ് TA. എ ഗ്രേഡ് സെക്കൻഡ്, എ ബി ഗ്രേഡ് 1, സി ഗ്രേഡ് സെക്കൻഡ് ബി, ഡി ഗ്രേഡ് തേർഡ്. ആൻസർ ബി ഗ്രേഡ് 1. One of the following is not treated as qualifying service for pension. A. Suspension period treated as such. B. Professional service before 1/10/1994. C. LWA with medical certificate. D. Dash none. Answer A. Suspension period treated as such. Which one of the following is treated as qualifying service for pension? A. LWA granted under Appendix 12C. B. LWA granted under Rule 91A. C. LWA granted under Appendix 12B. D. LWA granted under Rule 91 Part 1 KSR. Answer B. LWA granted under Rule 91A Part 1 KSR. In the maximum period for which the compassionate allowances may be paid with subsistence allowance shall be limited to A. 180 days, B. 90 days, C. 120 days, D. 240 days. Answer A. 180 days. A recurring or non-recurring payment granted to an officer from general revenues of the state as remuneration for special work of an occasional or intermittent character. A. Fees, B. Special allowance, C. Salary, D. Honorarium. Answer D. Honorarium. Which of the following true regarding dash none? A. It will count for increment and HPL. B. It will count for probation. C. It will count for earned leave. D. It will not count for any service benefits. Answer A. It will count for increment and HPL. Which of the following is not a member of family for the purpose of transfer TA under KSR? A. Officer's wife dependent on him. B. Children wholly dependent on him. C. Stepchildren residing with and wholly dependent on him. D. Employed husband in the case of female officer. Answer D. Employed husband in the case of female officer. An officer drawing a pay of Rs 55,350 from 1/9/2019 has halted at New Delhi for the period from 23/9/2019 to 27/9/2019. The DA rate admissible for the halt is A. Rs 400, B. 450, C. 550, D. 600. Answer C. 550. An officer drawing pay Rs 54,000, headquarters Alappuzha, is halted at Kollam from 23/6/2020 6 AM to 24/6/2020 6 PM. He is admissible for Rs dash towards the halt. A. Rs 800, B. Rs 600, C. 640, D. 480. Answer B. 600. The loading and unloading charges of personal effects to a grade 1 officer transferred in public interest on 27/2/2020 is dash. A. Rs 500 at each end, B. Rs 450 at each end, C. Rs 800 at each end, D. Rs 400 at each end. Answer C. 800 at each end. Travelling allowance is not admissible for a journey undertaken to procure health certificate on first appointment to government service. A. Rule 34 Part 2 KSR. B. Rule 42. C. Rule 90. D. Rule 88. Answer D. Rule 88 Part 2 KSR. Last grade officers deputed for treasury transaction with a radius of dash kilometers will be paid and allowances at the rate of Rs 20 per day. A 8 കിലോമീറ്റർ, ബി 7 കിലോമീറ്റർ, സി 6 കിലോമീറ്റർ, ഡി 5 കിലോമീറ്റർ. ആൻസർ എ 8 കിലോമീറ്റർ. When a government vehicle is provided to an officer, he can claim incidental expenses subject to a minimum of A 1 DA, B half DA, C no DA, D 3/4 DA. Answer B half DA. Pension ceases to be payable if it remain undrawn for more than A 3 years, B 4 years, C 5 years, D 6 years. Answer A 3 years. If the suspension of payment is attributed to error or neglect by any government employee, the audit officer may direct payment of the arrears without the order of the government. A. Rule 91 പാർട്ട് 3 KSR, B. റൂൾ 137 പാർട്ട് 3, സി റൂൾ 78 പാർട്ട് 3, ഡി റൂൾ 79 പാർട്ട് 3. ആൻസർ ബി റൂൾ 137 പാർട്ട് 3 KSR. Maximum DCRG admissible to a government employee is dash times of his last month of pay plus DA. A 15 times, B 16 times, C 33 times, D 16.5 times. Answer D 16.5 times. The period for which the service book of an employee who retired from service should be retained by the head of office in which he last worked is dash. A 5 years, B 3 years, C 10 years, D 25 years. Answer D 25 years. A pensioner died on 28/5/2020. His wife is eligible for family pension from A 1/6/2020, B 28/5/2020, C 1/5/2020, D 29/5/2020. Answer A 1/6/2020. Who is competent to withhold or withdraw pension? A. Head of department, B. Treasury Director, C. Government, D. Accountant General Kerala. Answer C. Government. What kind of pension can be given if a post held by an officer is abolished and the officer is not willing to accept another appointment? A. Invalid pension, B. Compensation pension, C. Superannuation pension, D. Retiring pension. Answer B. Compensation pension. An officer's date of birth is 25/5/1967 and date of entry in service is 1/6/1996. He voluntarily retired from service on 2/6/2020. His qualifying service for retiring pension will be reckoned as A 27 years, B 24 years, C 29 years, D 30 years. Answer A 27 years. An officer deputed to undergo a course of training may draw travelling allowance as on transfer if the course of training exceeds A 3 months, B 2 months, C 4 months, D 6 months. Answer A 3 months. Future good conduct shall be an implied condition of every grant of pension. A. Rule 16 പാർട്ട് 3 KSR, B. Rule 14A പാർട്ട് 3 KSR, C. Rule 2A, D. Rule 3 പാർട്ട് 3. Answer C. Rule 2A പാർട്ട് 3 KSR. In the maximum service pension on or after 1/7/2014 is A. Rs 1,20,000, B. 36,000, C. 60,000, D. 50,000. Answer C. 60,000. Leave to officers on foreign service in India will be sanctioned by the dash. A. The government, B. The head of office. C. Foreign employer. D. Head of the department. Answer C. Foreign employer. When a government servant takes earned leave while in transit from one post to another, a leave will commence after the expiry of joining time. Be one of the expiry of the leave, he may be allowed normal joining time. C. Leave will be cancelled with effect the date of transfer. D. He is not eligible for normal joining time. Answer B. On the expiry of the leave, he may be allowed normal joining time. In the government may in case extend the joining time admissible under these rules, provided that the general spirit of the rules is observed. A. Rule 126 Part 1 KSR. B. Rule 127. C. Rule 132. D. Rule 133. Answer D. Rule 133 Part 1 KSR. No officer shall normally be allowed to remain on deputation to foreign service for more than dash years continuously. A 20, B 5, C 10, D 15. Answer B 5. Rules regarding cash leave to officers are given in Appendix dash in Volume 1 KSR Part 1 and 2. A 1, B 7, C 5, D 6. Answer B 7. A part-time law officer may be granted leave on half pay for not more than dash once only in his service after 3 years of duty. A 5 months, B 1 month, C 3 months, D 6 months. Answer C 3 months. When an employee on hospital leave, his leave salary will be equal to leave salary while on earned leave for the first dash days of any period of such leave. A 60, B 90, C 180, D 120. Answer D 120. Dash days leave without allowances taken without a production of medical certificate in continuation of maternity leave will count for increment. A 60, B 90, C 120, D 180. Answer A 60. An officer on leave without allowances is not entitled to any leave salary. A. Rule 88 Part 1 KSR. B. Rule 85. C. Rule 75. D. Rule 95. Answer D. Rule 95 Part 1 KSR. No commutation of leave shall be permitted on expiry of dash from the date of sanction of leave. A 3 years, B 5 years, C 4 years, D 1 year. Answer D 1 year. In the special allowance admissible to a district collector holding the charge of the revenue divisional officer under him is A. No special allowance is admissible. B. 7% of the minimum of the scale of pay of RDO. C. 4% of the basic pay of the RDO. D. 4% of the pay of the district collector. Answer A. No special allowance is admissible. Non-officials, including retired officials serving in first-class committees, boards, etc., will be allowed TA and DA at the rate admissible to A. Grade 2nd A officers, B. Grade 2nd B officers, C. Grade 3rd officers, D. Grade 1st officers. Answer D. Grade 1 officers. The liabilities of an employee should be quantified either before or after retirement and intimated to him before retirement if possible or after retirement within a period of dash on becoming pensioner. A 1 year, B 2 years, C 4 years, D 3 years. Answer D 3 years. In the compassionate allowances granted to any employee shall not exceed dash of the pension which would have been admissible to him if he had retired on the date of dismissal or removal. A. 2 by 3, B. 1 by 3, C. 2 by 4, D. 1 by 4. Answer A. 2 by 3. Joining time admissible if there is no change of offices. A. 1 day, B. half day, C. 6 day, D. No joining time is admissible. Answer D. No joining time is admissible. An allowance granted to meet personal expenditure necessitated by the special circumstances in which duty is performed is dash. A. Compensatory allowances, B. Personal pay, C. Honorarium, D. Special pay. Answer A. Compensatory allowances. The rate of deputation allowance of officers on deputation to foreign service is A. 5% of basic pay and DA, B. 10% of basic pay, C. Not eligible for deputation allowance, D. 7% of basic pay. Answer C. Not eligible for deputation allowance. Date of birth of an officer is 1/7/1963. What is date of superannuation retirement? A. 31/7/2019, B. 31/7/2018, C. 1/7/2019, D. 30/6/2019. Answer D. 30/6/2019. The quantum of part-time service that can be reckoned for pension in the case of absorption into regular service is A. full, B. 60%, C. 40%, D. 50%.